Hello everybody, I hope you're having a good day. So welcome back to the African Print DIY channel. So today we are going to be attempting to make a lunch bag, and I'm using this beautiful kente print fabric. So to start off, these are basically all the pieces that I need. It's divided mainly into 4 fabric pieces, and those are the dimensions. But I'm still going to be going through the dimensions with you as we go along. So the first part, which is the main body of the fabric, was 11.5 inches by 21.5 inches. So it's like a little rectangle. And then I also cut the same or equal pieces of padding or baiting. If you don't have baiting, you can use a sponge. Then I pinned my printed fabric and my baiting or padding together. And then I took out my ruler and my pencil, and then I just started to mark those lines. This is where I was going to go and sew to make sort of like a quilting pattern. I did this on all 4 pieces, as you can see there. And this is after I had actually stitched, when I was done stitching. Then I now took the main part of the main body of the lunch bag. Then I folded in half and then I marked. And then I marked a line in the middle, a vertical line. Then I also drew a horizontal line in the middle. And then I went on to my vertical line, and then I marked 3.5 inches from the edges. Then I marked my 2 points there. Then on those 2 points I marked 8 inches. Then I connected those lines and I got this little U shape. And then I rounded the edges or the corners to make them little curves, and then I just cut that out with my scissors.
Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do 'cause I'm feeling so good.
Then I now took my zipper and then I attached the zip onto that opening.
do, 'cause I'm feeling so cool. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna
I did a tacking or basting stitch, then I went on to sew my zipper down.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
After sewing the zipper, I also went on to top stitch it. After top stitching the zipper, I now closed my zip. Then I went on to attach the bottom of the bag. This is the bottom part. Then I just pinned it down and I went on to sew that on the sewing machine.
But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie.
So there I had already stitched it. Then I now prepared my sides. And the way I prepared my sides was just by making the top rounded or curved like that.
Off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Then I attached it onto the main part of the lunch bag. Then I went on to stitch it on the sewing machine.
Happier tonight. Kept me waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show.
So at that point, the main structure of the lunch bag was done. Then I went on to now prepare the lining.
Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy.
So to give it some more steadiness, to give my lining some more steadiness, I used this where I come from, we call this maize meal. This is like a sack. The material is like a sack, but then it is it's a little bit waterproof and it's quite rigid, so it gives good shape.
Kept me waiting for you in the morning.
If you don't have this, you can just use a regular plastic material. And then I went on to prepare all my lining pieces the same way that I had prepared my outer fabric pieces. And then I now went on to join all the lining pieces together, and the result was a structure that is almost identical to the one that I made with the printed fabric. Then I turned it inside out and then inserted my outer fabric piece.
Wanna be happy, happy tonight.
And then I went on to just hem along the zipper. I'm sorry for that bad angle, you guys. And then before I went on to turn it inside out, I prepared my handle.
Leave without
Then I prepared my handle, which I went on to attach onto the bag. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys, and I hope that you also try and attempt it and even do better than I did. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate it. Bye.